ค่ะ welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you how to cook this fish that we have been fishing this morning around Seaboya Island. Actually, I want to prepare this fish by myself, but the fishermen, they insisted that they do prepare the fish quickly for me so that I can keep it fresh. And this is how it looks. Okay, so in order to cook this dish, you are going to need this vinegar, red onion, black peppercorn, sugar, and some water, and a jar like this. Since we are using 1 cup of the water, so I guess that actually 1 big red onion is enough. ไม่เป็นไรค่ะ Okay, when we have all the ingredients ready right here, we just mix a cup of water in here, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a cup of vinegar, we mix it a little bit. And this recipe I just got from the fisherman, so my first time doing it as well, so I'm gonna taste it. After we finish this one, we have to leave it in the refrigerator for 1 night, and tomorrow we can eat it. Okay, now the sugar is soaked in the water and vinegar, so we start to add this red onion into the jar. Follow with the fish. Here you go. See, the fisherman has prepared it like a sashimi piece. Look at that, perfect amount. And then the black peppercorn. 1, 2. Mix it a little bit. So tomorrow, this jar gonna turn pink and gonna be very yummy. That's it. That's the fish I got from Seaboya Island, and it is now prepared in the vinegar and some onion and some black peppercorn. Very easy. You have to try this at home. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. Bye bye.